Use discount code JacobVile when you shop.
My name's Andre. My channel is BC 2000.
Okay.
I'm running 2X V3 Sundown 10.
Okay.
Tuned to 29 hertz.
Okay.
I also have a 5K tar amps that I'm running on my subs.
Nice.
I have a Timpano 800x4 on my mids and highs. I'm running Rockvilles for the mids and Power Acoustic for my highs.
Very nice. You hear the music too, and the lyrics sounds really good outside, I could tell. So,
Okay.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Have you done any kind of SPL tests to see how much it meters yet?
I did a 152 and
Okay.
a 156.
Yes, sir.
Running
Okay.
a 157.
Is it louder with the trunk open or closed?
I'm a close.
You close it? Okay. Yeah, go ahead, man. All right. We're about to get a demo. Be sure to give them a like if y'all enjoying the content. Stay tuned for more and subscribe.
And it does good with the
And it's a curved port. What did you say your tuning was on it?
29.
29. Okay, so it plays the lows. That's where the peak was. Very nice. Got any info you want to share on video?
That's my installer,
All right, there you go.
Nick Little.
And this is what location? In Georgia, Florida, Carolina?
Savannah, Georgia.
Savannah, Georgia. Okay.
Right off of 80.
Okay, awesome.
Yep.
Is there an upgraded alternator? Can I-
300.
Okay, can I see that? Sorry, I just like to see everything. Nice. Yep. It's down there. I see it.
300 amp alternator.
Yes, sir. Do you have the big 3 done too?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's ran through it. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of Andre's system. This was at a Savannah Seaport Showdown, Savannah, Georgia area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Pretty impressive to see how loud and low bass 210's got inside of his car. So I like the way the actual box layout is, where he has subs and port forward, and you can tell the builder actually reinforced on top of the box to kind of mount to the vehicle cabin, and on the back of the box you're going to see here. So in the back you can see that there's a 5,000 watt amplifier. I didn't find out if he had it at 1 ohm, 2 ohm, or half ohm. I'm pretty sure he has it at 1 ohm, and you can see these little mount things holding the back of the box down so that the box doesn't move. That actually helps your SPL score a little bit more bass, and it helps from being feel safe so the box doesn't move around. So every little thing like that helps with detail. And notice that the port being on the driver's side puts a little bit more pressure on the SPL meter on the glass and me on the passenger side. I could tell it was probably doing a 148, 149 dB when he turned it all the way up during this demo. And this is the specs of the subwoofer. It is the XV310 Sundown, rated at 2,000 watts RMS. And during this demo, I think he said that he metered at 152 dB, but probably a high 40 dB on music. And the bass was definitely getting down low into the mid 20 hertz range during this demo you're going to see. So we're getting to the demo. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. Subscribe if you want to see daily videos every day, and enjoy. All right, yeah, I love the demo.
to mid 30 hertz range. It sounds really good. Nice job. Woo. And it's a curved port. What did you say your tuning was on it?
29.
29. Okay, so it plays the lows. That's where the peak was. Very nice. Appreciate the demo.
All right.
What was your name?
Andre.
You have a good day, man.
All right.